week, a new immigration court opened up in Concord. It'll take up cases for 10 counties across Northern California and the Central Valley. Until now, the bulk of cases had been handled in San Francisco. Jose Martinez has a closer look at how the new court will help and some concerns about whether there will be enough legal support for immigrants to navigate the system.
Edwin Enriquez has lived in Concord since he was 17. He was part of a group that rallied outside of the courthouse on opening day. Edwin volunteers for Stand Together Contra Costa, a nonprofit providing free legal services to immigrants. Edwin applied for asylum 5 years ago after moving here from Guatemala. He tells me, I arrived here with my brother, but he was deported. He didn't even have a lawyer to represent him.
So he stayed here alone, battling a legal process that ended with a positive outcome.
He says, thank God I was able to find a lawyer and I appeared in court, and now my process is completely different since my asylum case was approved. His case is just one of many that will now be processed at this new immigration court in Concord, where at least 21 new immigration judges started working on cases this Monday.
The government is currently trying to expand the immigration courts and hire many more judges and attorneys to deal with all of the cases that are coming in. But the reality is that judges have dockets of thousands of cases.
Kathleen Bush-Joss, a policy analyst at the Migration Policy Institute, says the immigration court system is just overwhelmed based on millions of migrants crossing the border and only 700 judges hearing cases nationwide.
Last fiscal year, the courts completed over 500,000 immigration court cases, which is really an astonishing number. But at the same time, the courts received more than 1 million new cases.
And that's why she says the Department of Justice is opening new offices in areas where migrants are settling in, like Concord. But some advocates are skeptical of the new court system, saying it leads to faster deportations without due process.
We want to make sure that we also get an equal expansion of resources for these immigrants to be able to get legal representation in immigration court.
And that's why Edwin joined them in this effort. He says, I'm here to help because we need to continue supporting all those moving here. And Edwin tells me he's going to keep working to bring more information to other migrants so they can at least get the legal support they need before going to these meetings.
Immigration attorneys are worried that people might end up missing court and being deported as a result because they may not have been told that their cases were transferred or that their hearing dates were changed.